Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, for your daily energies. So these are for your daily energies, Sagittarius, and I'll be picking two cards from this deck. So that will be for your career situation and your relationship. So this is the card for your career situation, Sagittarius, and this is the card for your relationship, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed. So for your daily energy, Sagittarius, 7 of Swords, 3 of Swords, 2 of Swords in reverse. With this card, Sagittarius, the energy is that today you may be feeling confidence uh, by your situation, how things are going. So certain decisions that you have made, it gives you complete satisfaction, and you feel safe and secure in your situation. All your dreams and goals, whatever you have, you see that you are marching towards it, you are advancing towards those goals, so you are happy for it. But in certain situations you may be overconfident, there may be certain obstacles. You need to be really aware of those, conscious about those obstacles or people who may be competing with you in your business or in your work situation. You need to be conscious about that fact. You may be overconfident in certain situations. You need to be careful, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe you may be seeing some delays in your work situation, maybe some kind of project delays, or whatever business deals you are making. You may face some suspensions, maybe in some choices, something, some obstacles are there. So this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. You may see some obstacles in your relationship, or this may relate to your work. So that is what I see here. And in your relationship or in your work, maybe people are not putting in their 100% efforts. People who are working for you or people who are working with you, they are not so good like you. They may not be giving their full attention and effort in work. So you may feel that they are not doing up to the mark. So some kind of disloyalty in your work atmosphere, or it may also be the energy with your relationship. This person, they may not be so what to say, so much interest. They may not show that much interest or that sense of belonging in this relationship. They are just there, they don't show their feelings, maybe, for some of you. And you may feel that they may be trying to avoid you. You may have certain doubts or confusions about them, guys. That is what I see here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. What is the oracle card? So this card will answer the questions you have regarding your career situation, guys. So whatever deep thoughts that you are having, it will answer that. Let us see. Imagine. Sagittarius, with this card for your career situation, guys. So whatever you are dreaming about, your goals, about your achievements, whatever you want to be, whatever you want to succeed in, whatever you want to have, you have to have that creative imagination, those happy intentions to make things manifest in your life, guys. So this is a really powerful time for you to create your own prosperity. So, in order to be prosperous, all you need to do is imagine the kind of life that you want to have, and without holding back, just go for that happy intentions. So, when you have that sheer force in your dreams, you will manifest that in your life. So, you will be attracting those positive things in your life. So, prosperity is waiting to come towards you guys. Whatever you are dreaming, your dreams will come true. That is the oracle's guidance for today, guys. So you need to dream big. So whatever you dream will come towards you. That is what is the oracle's message here for your career situation, guys. What is the card for your relationship, guys? We'll see now. Message in a bottle. So with this card, guys, the oracle's guidance is that you will be getting some important communication from your person. Maybe if you are in a long distance relationship, you may be getting some important messages, some emails, letters, or something, some gifts, maybe something telling you some positive news. So you are really happy for it. Whatever you were thinking about this relationship, the future of this relationship, that will come towards you guys. So that is what I see here. You are getting closer to your dreams. That is what I see here with this oracle card. And you will be seeing signs, some intuitive guidance, or maybe you will be seeing some signs when you are making some important decisions. You may see some symbols or some good omens, something pointing you towards the right direction. So you need to go for that choice, guys. That is what I see here, Sagittarius. So something good coming your way. So whatever you have been dreaming, it is pushing you towards the positive things that you want to achieve in life, that goals, that is acting as your happy intention today, guys. So that is the reading for you all, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.